Hey guys, you're welcome. So in today's video I want to do my hair routine. I just pull down my braid. First I have to put, it has to be natural yogurt. The next on the list, you have to use virgin coconut, like congeal. So I have to use original honey. This is okay. My aloe vera, so this is 99% aloe vera, so you can use aloe vera plant. So this is okay. This is optional, it's not compulsory, so you can add a vitamin E if you don't have any oil or if you don't have vitamin E. So this mixture is very much okay. Remember, this oil is optional to mix. So this is the consistency I can get from. So the reason why I use the yogurt is the yogurt has lactic acid, which helps for exfoliating and also help on blocking the clogged hair follicles. Yes, it helps to unblock the hair follicles and also removing buildups and impurity which can otherwise cause severe hair loss. Same as the aloe vera helps to improve your hair follicles and at the same time take out unwanted products lying down there on your follicles which can obstruct hair growth. So aloe vera has a lot of vitamins in it that helps a lot, but my main ingredient in this hair routine is the yogurt because it has a whole lot of work to do on your hair. So the most important ingredient here is the yogurt, the honey, and also the aloe vera. Every other product is optional. You can decide to do without it. So what I need to do next is I need to cover it up. Just want to let it heat up for. You can decide to apply heat. Yeah, so basically this is what I do. Just on camera. So basically this is what I do whenever I put down my braids. So it helps my hair from breaking. So it helps me manage my hair and restore its shine. And yeah, so I'm going to leave it this way for like an hour then before I go wash it out. So you can use hot water. You can use hot water to wash it out. It doesn't matter because there's no egg in it, so you can use hot water to wash it out. So this helps to, this is one of the hair routine I do, so I can't really tell which one of them made my hair grow. So you just have to keep trying. There are so many hair routine out there. I check out my playlist. I have so many hair routine that you can try. So watch this video to the end because after I wash this hair out, so I'm gonna like show you all, so see how it looks like. Okay guys, so I washed my hair, so it's a bit wet, drying off now. So this is how it looks like now. At the moment my scalp is neat. I still have this tint of wine that I did a few months back. So this is how it is. I'm not going to comb it, just leave it this way. So if I want to style my hair, I'm going to add the product I want to use to style it before I do the styling. So I think I'm going to end this video here. So I'm going to do another video of me styling my hair. So I'm not sure of the style I want to do yet, but trying to come up with something. I'll come up with something, then I will do a video of it, maybe something of 2 or 3 minutes. So that guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.